question now says sine squared theta minus 1 is equals to negative cos squared theta. They want you to show that in other words, they want you to prove that sine squared theta minus 1 is equals to cos squared theta. This is how you can do it. You know that there's a square identity that says sine squared theta plus cos squared theta is equals to 1. And when you can take this 1 to this side, it's going to be sine squared theta plus cos squared theta minus 1 is equals to 0. Next, you can take this cos squared theta to the other side, and it's going to be sine squared theta minus 1 is equals to negative cos squared theta. There you have proved it. That's the answer here. Final part of this question, it wants you to simplify this expression without a calculator. Then let's do it. Here first we have cos theta. Cos is adjacent divided by hypotenuse. The cos of theta, if here is theta, the adjacent side is going to be this side. Square root of 3. Hypotenuse is the longest side divided by 2. Next we have tan 60. Tan is opposite divided by adjacent, and here we have 60. If this is 60, the opposite will be this side, square root of 3 divided by adjacent. Adjacent is this side, 1. Now let's come to the other side, it's going to be plus. Let's change this cosec to 1 divided by sine squared 45. Since cosec is the same thing as 1 divided by sine. Next we have sine 60 degrees squared. 60 there's 60, and sine is opposite divided by hypotenuse. And if this is 60, the opposite side will be this one, square root of 3. And the hypotenuse is 2. All squared. It is squared. Next week, let's multiply this. This times this is going to be 3 over 2 plus 1 divided by sine 45. Here we have 45, we have 45. You can choose this 45 or this 45, the answer will be the same. Here I'm choosing this 45, and sine is opposite divided by hypotenuse. And if I choose this 45, the opposite will be this side, 1. And the hypotenuse is the one side, square root of 2. All squared multiplied by squared. Then here 3 divided by 2 plus, and this one is the same thing as 1 divided by 1 over root 2 squared. Same thing. Here when you simplify this term, it's going to be square root of 3 squared all over 2 squared. And then it's going to be 3 over 2 plus this one can be 1 multiplied by root 2 squared. And here when you simplify this, it's going to be 3 divided by 2 times 2 is 4, 4. Then it's going to be 3 divided by 2 plus, here when you simplify all this, it's going to give you 2 multiplied by 3 over 2. 3 over 2. Then when you simplify all of this, since now I don't have any space, it's going to be, and again here there's a mistake, here must be 4. And the final answer is 3. When you simplify it without the use of a calculator, that's the answer.